Hi, welcome to my online e-math classes. In this video, we are discussing the Vedic formulas. This is second formula, formula number 2, Nikilam Navatascharmam Dashataha, meaning all from 9 and last from 10. Especially the applications of this formula were the first one is subtraction and the second one is multiplication. Actually, this is a specific multiplication. Actually, we are not able to do every multiplication, especially some specific multiplication I will teach you during the video time. And multiplication with the same base, the numbers will be having same base. Okay. And also division, specific division. Okay, in this video we will discuss these two concepts, and for the next video we will discuss the same formula and this division procedure. So first will be subtraction. Subtraction means what it says is, for example, take 1000, you have to subtract 234. Here we will use the Winklum procedure. So according to this rule, 1000 minus 234, so the last digit will be subtracted from 10. So that is the formula says all from 9, last from 10. Okay, all from 9. So remaining these digits will be subtracted from 9 and the last digit will be subtracted from 10. So 10 minus 4 is how much? 6. 9 minus 3 is 6 again. 9 minus 2 is 7. So this is the answer. Okay. Suppose, for example, what happens if 1000 only 34 was given to you? So what you do now? Now we will add 0 to here in this place and we will apply the same rule. All from 9, last from 10. Nikilam Navatascharmam. What is that formula? Nikilam Navatascharmam Dashataha. Yeah. 10 minus 4 is how much? 6. And 9 minus 3 is how much? 6 again. And here 9 minus 0 is 9. So this will be the answer. So this is the best application of subtraction. You can do using these techniques in any subtraction, and that number will be like it contains 0 and the next number will be some contains its digits like 234, 34, whatever it is. You can apply this formula to do subtractions. And for multiplication with the same base means it has same number of digits and how much away from the base value, then those two parameters are to be considered to do this multiplication. For example, let us consider 14 is multiplied by 18. So both of these numbers are base 10 base values. Okay, base 10. So that calculate now the deviations means you should take the first number every time in the Vedic mathematics. Take the number first and after that remove the base from that, then you will get the deviation value. Deviation value will be plus 4. Okay. And for this one and for this number 18 minus 10 will be how much? 8 only. Okay, right? So write down plus 8. So what you have to do is, it has only 1 0, that means one place you have to fill. Okay, in this place there is no restrictions. So what you do, either you can do the addition of these 14 plus 8 or you can also do 18 plus 4. Whatever you want, you can do that. And 14 plus 8 is how much? 14 plus 8 is 22. And you should multiply these two numbers. 4 into 8, 32. Actually, 2 only we can write in this box and 3 will be carry forward. So 22 plus 3 and this 2. 22 plus 3 is how much? 25. So 252 will be the answer for this question. Understood? Okay, now we will do one more example. So let us consider 99 and into 98. So it was very close to the 100. So its base will be 100. Okay. So how much close we will calculate, that is called deviation. So first write the number 99 minus the base value will be minus 1, and take the next number and base value, you will have the deviation. The deviations are minus 1 and minus 2. Since it has two zeros, so take two empty boxes. So minus 1 into minus 2 is how much? Minus 1 into minus 2, you know, minus into minus plus 1 into 2, 2 only. So only one box we can fill that, but the remaining box should be filled with 0. Now, either we will do 99 minus 2 or 98 minus 1. Both will be same. So 99 minus 2 is how much? 99 minus 2. It will be 97. So the answer is 9702. That is the answer. Understood? Okay, we will do one more example. Let us do the multiplication of 1011 into, these are random numbers, okay, 996. Actually, they are very close to 1000, because let's calculate the deviations. So 1011 minus 1000, it will be 11 plus 11, and here the number, take the number 996 minus 1000, it will be how much? Minus 4. Fine. So just multiply these two numbers, 11 plus 11 into minus 4, how much it is? Minus 44. So actually the 3 zeros is there, so write down 3 empty boxes and 44. So write down 44, and actually one box is empty, so take 0. And this is all minus. And add 1011 minus 4. 1011 minus 4. Either you can also do this 996 plus 11. Okay, which one you like easy, then that procedure you can apply here. So then it will be, if you subtract 4 from this 11, it will be 7 now. So 1007 you will get from here, and this will be, you should apply the Venkulum process. So 044 Venkulum process. Okay, the answer will be 1007 and 044, and it has minus. So Venkulum process is nothing but the same. All from 9, last from 10. 10 minus 4 is how much? 6. 9 minus 4 is 5. 9 minus 0 is 9. And decrease 1 unit from this. 7 minus 1 will be 6. And remaining digits will be same. So now this is the answer of this product. 1011 into 996 will be 1006956. Thanks for watching this video, and keep in touch with me. Subscribe this channel and share this channel, and give a like, comment. Thanks in advance. Bye bye.